Flowers can you plant in November? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what flowers you can plant in November. If you've not checked out as a vegetable video, go and check that one out as well to see what vegetables you can grow in November as well. So obviously it's getting cold, not much will be growing at this time of year, but you can get ready for growing in springtime and getting those allotments and gardens full of spring colour ready for a beautiful display. Now I've been planting all my spring bulbs. Now is the perfect time to be planting them. If you've been holding off on planting your tulips because of tulip fire, you can start to plant them now and they'll have a good chance of getting some great displays. So you can be planting your tulips, your muscari, your daffodils, your hyacinths, your snowdrops, your tulips, your crocuses, all them spring bulbs you can be planting this month. Obviously make sure you plant them nice and deep. They usually say twice the size of the bulb is how deep you need to plant them. And again, if you've got squirrels or rodents around which like to dig up stuff, put some netting over them and protect them, and then once they start popping through, then you can take the netting off and let them grow. Because if you're like me, the squirrels do love to pinch the bulbs, and you don't want to waste all your money on getting beautiful displays for them to all be pinched and taken away and dug somewhere else. So those are the main bulbs that you can plant this month. Next up is pansies and violas. If you wanted colour throughout the winter period, it's a great time to plant these, and these are great in hanging baskets, in borders. They'll look absolutely gorgeous, and they'll add that little bit of colour to a dull garden which probably hasn't got much life at this time of year. So if you wanted to add some colour to your garden, add some spring winter pansies or some violas, and they will bloom all the way through to the springtime. Next up is winter heather. Now I've got some beautiful heather on my allotment. I've got some purple heather, and I've just purchased some nice white heather as well, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And again, it will bloom throughout the winter period and add that bit of colour to your borders, to your hanging baskets, to your pots, and you'll get some great colour from that, and it'll certainly brighten up the garden. And they'll grow every year, they'll bloom every year. As long as you look after them and keep them looked after, they will flower year after year, and they'll spread as well, which is another good thing as well. So those are the flowers that you can plant this month. Make sure you share this to all your gardening friends and your allotment friends. Add that spring colour to your allotment. When the bees wake up from hibernation, they need that pollen, that nectar. So adding the spring bulbs helps them, it gives them their energy to start off the year, and keeps them down at your plot and encourages them to help pollinate all the flowers and all your fruit trees to help give you a better crop as well. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.